Even if you have coverage on your vehicles that you drive often, there may be times when you have a need for short-term car insurance. It is vital that you choose the best policy that you can. Circumstances can dictate that the cost can be much more expensive when it is only needed on a temporary basis. Do not overpay for the coverage service. There is a set method for choosing the best plans available. It can come as quite a surprise to realize that you need temporary vehicle protection. There are times when you need it most. If you use a rental agency, they may require that you provide some coverage in the event of an accident. You may be able to use your own personal plan if it provides you with that benefit. However, you may not want to use that as it will increase your rates should you be at fault. It may be a simple action to purchase automobile coverage, but you need to decide what type of features are being offered. You may purchase a policy that often gives you no financial incentive, which may still cause you to end up paying the full cost. If you are driving someone else's vehicle and are not covered on their policy, you will need to have protection. The age of the vehicle, and value of the car, and minimum coverage requirements for the area where you live may give you a head start towards your decision. There is more than one way to get a quote or offer for temporary protection. You can use your current insurance agent, get an online quote, or get a referral. If you add to an existing policy, it can be cheaper as the company will offer a multiple car discount. Using online companies can give you an idea of the going rate that it takes to provide coverage for the amount of money and features you have chosen. After you have received all the quotes, you do not want to make a decision without comparing the different plans. Some companies will have a minimum time that they require you to have coverage. This may cost you more, as you may end up paying for protection you do not need. Make sure that you get the cheapest cost along with the best protection that includes all the features that you require for the time you will drive the vehicle. After you have chosen the best plan, make sure that you get a copy of the policy for your records. You will need this documentation in order to be able to use the automobile. Some companies allow you to download and print out the documents, while others mail you a card to use. Even if the location where you live has a database that lists who has auto protection, you should still maintain a copy of the relevant documents in your vehicle. Once you get the policy, it is important that you look it over to make sure that it matches up with what you purchased. Sometimes mistakes and errors are made. You do not want to be surprised when something you think you have is not covered. Short-term car insurance is needed for those that only require the temporary use of a vehicle. It is wise to choose the best plan for your needs. Price and features are the main criteria for making your decision. Make sure to look over all paperwork after your purchase. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.